How to convert your video to audio on iPhone. So first you want to open up this app called Shortcuts, and inside Shortcuts click on the plus at the top right. Then at the top it says new shortcut, click on it and click on rename. Inside rename, just name it to anything you want. I will just write video to audio. Once you do that, what you can do is click on tick at the bottom, then just scroll down and click on the I. Now you can just click on show in share sheet, turn it on. Once this is on, click on the tick. Then over here, click on apps and 18 more right beside receive, and make sure all of this is on, but the thing you need to turn off is images, files, and just everything. All right, just make sure media is only on, everything else is just off like this, and click on the tick at the top right. Now click on search action and just write encode, and it's going to show you encode media. Click on encode media. Inside encode media you will see shortcut input. Right beside it you will see an arrow. Click on that small arrow. Click on audio only, click on format MFOV, click on AIFF, click on search action at the bottom, and then search for save file and click on it. Now you can open up your Photos app and choose whichever video you want the audio to be extracted. Click on the share button at the bottom left, scroll down and click on video to audio. Then you can open up your Files app. After you do that, go back, and once you're inside my Files app, click on the search at the top and just write song, and it's going to show you your folder song. Inside there your audio will be found. Now right now you won't see it because I haven't added the songs folder and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.